Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. And you may have a newer version of the Elektra Semiautomatica or the Leva machine. This one's in copper and brass, no lid on the tank, no drip tray. It's a bare bones machine. And we're going to show you how to change or move the wires on the safety thermostat in case it's tripping your GFI outlets or GFIC outlets that are typically older than 4 years old. Sometimes on the new ones, but we're going to go through the quick process here to move those wires over and get you up and running. The first step is get a Phillips head screwdriver. There's a drip tray cover get removed. We're going to remove the screw that's right there and use both hands so you don't scratch the base. Once you do that, you could push down on the bottom, okay? And if it's not coming off, get a flathead screwdriver and just don't touch the metal, and you may need a spare set of hands, just push it like that and it will pop off. Then, on this machine, you will see, this is the new version, there is a bracket now. The safety thermostat used to be here. There's a bracket here. And let me move this to the side so I can see it a little better. And you'll see the safety thermostat here. Now, you'll need a little wrench. And actually, we already moved the wires because we were testing this. But I'm going to show you where the wires were and where they need to be. So we'll take off this nut. We'll pull out this bracket and we'll move it to the side here. Now, if you notice, there's two blue wires. These were on the other side where the label was. Okay, so they were here and we moved them to this side. Now, to pull the wires out, it's pretty difficult. You'd be surprised in shipping they come off. This is all Espresso machines that we've seen, but you can move this terminal out and pull these off. So where they used to be was right here. Okay, and it used to be in like this, I'm sorry. And all you do is push these out a little bit, move each wire over to this side, and then the other two sides I push in with my fingers. Okay, get this back in here. So if you look here, we'll get this in here. And get the nut started. Okay, that nut. Use the wrench. Till it tightens up. Push this back in, and when you put the cover back on, see there's two holes? Make sure this outer one aligns with the push button right there. Okay, we can push it back in a little bit more. Get this standing up. Push it down, okay, on the different sides. If you need, you can hit from the bottom. Do not lose the screw, put that back in and start it by hand. Hold the screwdriver with both hands while turning. Push down on the screwdriver while you're turning, because you need to make a good seal, because you don't want any water that gets under the drip tray to get between the screw and the base, because if not, water gets in there, it can cause other damage. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you have water here, plug it in. If you don't have water in the sight glass, soon as you power it on, press the boiler refill till you get minimum 25 to 75%. Once again, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to our social media channels. Share our social media to show your friends, family, neighbors that you care. And as I always say, coffee first, everything else second.